Stop doing guesswork, make data-driven decisions instead. In 2025, Excel isn't just a tool, it's a career booster. Imagine making data-driven decisions effortlessly, automating those boring tasks and saving tons of time. Sounds dreamy, right? With Excel, you can dive deep into data analysis and emerge with insights that can change the game. Whether you're a student looking to stand out or a professional aiming to move up the ladder, Excel's got your back. And let's talk automation. Those repetitive tasks, say goodbye. Excel helps you streamline your workflow so you can focus on what truly matters. From creating dynamic reports to handling complex calculations, you're covered. Staying ahead in today's fast-paced world is crucial, and Excel skills are in high demand across all industries. Whether it's finance, marketing, or healthcare, knowing your way around a spreadsheet can set you apart from the crowd. So if you master Excel, the opportunities are endless. Stay relevant, stay skilled, and let Excel be your superpower in 2025. Stay ahead of the curve. Master Excel today and unlock the doors to endless possibilities.